Alright, what's up guys? It's almost 100 degrees and I'm already sweating and I haven't even done anything. But yeah, so before I start this little vlog about me purchasing the supplies I need for the Civic $50 paint job, just gonna buy paint, sandpaper, whatnot. Check out a channel called VTAG818. You're gonna see it in the corner right here, and there's gonna be a link in the description. And check it out. It's a young guy, DC2 GSR. Very clean. I think he's gonna trade it for another DC2, he said. And yeah, he's posting weekly or a little bit over a week, but I'm pretty sure he's gonna start doing it more, you know, twice a week maybe. He posts updates of his DC2. Check it out. He's at 30 subs right now. Let's get him to 100 subs. Spam his comments, watch his videos, and check it out. He also has an Instagram and he updates. And look at this Porsche and that Lotus. Oh yeah, and then there's my car right there. So yeah, so check his channel out, and yeah, drop him a like and subscribe. So let's go to the paint shop and get some sandpaper. I'm gonna get some Rust-Oleum paint and some other stuff. Alright guys, so I'm on my way to the paint shop right now, and it's ice cold AC. So it's almost about 100 degrees, and the AC is working perfect. It's been about a year, I believe. I'm not really sure, but yeah, check out the playlist I have of the AC repair, just replacing O-rings and stuff like that. I took out the condenser. But yeah, so just check it out. Alright guys, so I just made it here. This is by Washington and Vermont, and that's the location I go to, 1640, and it's Show Park Paints. And pretty cool chill spot right here. They have everything to build a house and yeah, whatnot. But yeah, so let's go in and see what they have. Alright guys, so I'm looking for some paints, interior paints right here, and urethane acrylic. I don't even know what I'm looking at right here. But yeah, this is like the regular section right here for like houses and stuff. But yeah, some body filler. But yeah, and then over there is like the automotive section on that side. So they have all these scrapers right here, spreaders, more paint scrapers. No prices on anything, but usually right here is pretty good prices. Paint pens, sandpapers right here, wet or dry. Rollers, and that's how I'm gonna paint the car, with the roller, and then I'm gonna color sand it after. Yeah, they have like combo packs right there, refills. But yeah, I already got one of these, so brand new, so it should be good. I actually don't even need a roller, to be honest. But yeah, but I'm gonna be doing some interior painting inside the apartment, so probably pick one up. Oh, that one's for like the jambs, the corners. That's pretty cool. Of like the wall. All right guys, so like this is the automotive section. They have all these polishes and stuff. Pretty good stuff right here. Gonna get some sandpaper. Probably gonna go with like a 180 grit, just to knock off the heavy stuff, and then go with like a 400 before paint. 220, 180, no, actually like a 150 to knock off the old paint, and then a 400 for like the not so bad areas. All right guys, so this is what I got. Just cheap tape. This is like the cheapest tape in town. Lasts a long time, and it's only like $4 at AutoZone. This will be about $7 or $8.99 for like the premium quality, but right here is just half price. I got a 2 400 grits, 2 150s, and I got 1 100, which is for the real deep scratches and imperfections. So, and this is gonna be for the rest of the body, but all the front end is gonna be with this. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot, pick up the paint, and then from there it's going to be a part 2 of this little series. I also got this paint for the walls inside the apartment, but that's pretty boring stuff. Alright guys, so I'm at Home Depot. Just gonna get the paint. And yeah, let's see if they have a darker gray actually, because the last time I checked they only had a smoke gray. Alright guys, so I'm already inside looking at all the different paints, and I actually don't even see it. I see flat black, rusty metal primer, flat brown, gloss almond, aluminum, hunter green, and I'm looking for smoke gray, but I don't see it. It kind of sucks. We gotta keep looking, probably buy another brand or something. And it was right in front of my eyes, right there. Gloss smoke gray. I was actually gonna get one and then a gloss black and take out a quarter of this and mix a quarter of black to make this a little bit darker, but no, I decided just to keep it the way it was. Checking out these bathroom sinks. Looks pretty cool. It's a nice one right there. $169 for that. $220, $250 for that one. Actually not even a bad price. It's crazy. So maybe for like a bathroom is like less than 5,000 budget style. Pretty cool. Oh shit, I need one of these. Alright guys, so I'm checking out these toilet seats. Look at that. $5.28 for a toilet. Seat and lid, sold out. But one thing though is that if you look at this, it says fifth round bowl, and this one's round, and then they have a no slim one and everything. And just the main question is that I didn't even know there were so many different shapes of seats and for people's asses. It's crazy. I honestly thought they were just all the same. Alright guys, so I'm about to pay, and less than 10 bucks. It's crazy. So the budget's gonna be pretty good. Alright, so start. Pay now. Alright guys, so that's the last piece of the puzzle. Smoke gloss black, and yeah. So we're gonna be painting this in about a week. Stay tuned for that video, and yeah. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.